Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your monetization eligibility in YouTube Partner Program, full guide step by step clearly. Start by signing into your YouTube account. Navigate to the YouTube Studio dashboard. Locate the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the Monetization option. Review the requirements for the YouTube Partner Program. Check that you have accrued at least 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Confirm that you have an active AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel. Understand the importance of adhering to YouTube's monetization policies. Make sure your content follows community guidelines. Click on the Review Partner Program Terms button. Carefully read through the terms and agreements. Accept the terms to proceed with the application. Submit your application for monetization. Monitor the status of your application from the Monetization tab. Be patient, as the review process can take a few weeks. Once approved, explore monetization features in your channel settings. If denied, review the reasons given and adjust your content accordingly. Reapply once you meet the necessary criteria. Stay informed about updates to YouTube's policies and guidelines. Continue creating quality content to maintain your eligibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.